These hydraulic press videos are going viral right now, and some of them are getting millions of views. Today, I'll show you how to create these exact hydraulic press videos using AI. Let's get started. I've created a master prompt for you. You'll find the link in the description. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will generate 15 viral video ideas. It will also ask for your branding. For example, I'll choose rubber balls, so I'll type 3, and for branding, I'll enter Reavron. Now, ChatGPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Now, open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose Aspect Ratio, Number of Outputs. Paste the prompt and click Generate, and within seconds, your images are ready. Now go to Create Video in Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate, and just like that, your hydraulic press video is ready. Take a look. It looks realistic and super satisfying. Save it. Here's another one I created using the same method. And that's how you can create these viral hydraulic press videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche I should cover next.